I thought that ChatGPT was dead after we all saw DeepSeek and Grok come out, but I was wrong. ChatGPT 4.0 launched recently, and after testing it out, I can honestly say that it will make YouTube automation much, much better. The reason this matters right now is that ChatGPT 4.0 is way more advanced than the previous version. It can think more clearly, understand tone better, and structure longer content in a more natural way. That means it's no longer just about generating quick script ideas or titles. You can do much more and automate a lot more, which you'll see in just a moment. In this video, I'm breaking down how to make money with YouTube automation and ChatGPT, but not in the way you think. We all know that you can make money from YouTube ad revenue, and it's good to have that as a goal. But what a lot of people do wrong is rely completely on YouTube ad revenue when there are plenty of other ways to make money from the views you get. I'm taking you through how to build digital products and sell them through your faceless YouTube automation channel. You can sell any type of digital product, like digital templates, spreadsheets, online courses, and so on. I'm going to focus on selling an ebook for this tutorial, but you can apply the same principles to any digital product that you want to sell. Step 1. Pick and verify your niche. The first thing you need to do is figure out what kind of ebook people actually want to buy. I usually think of what I'm interested in, see if there's demand for that niche or not, and go from there. This isn't just about choosing any topic. You need to find a niche that people are already searching for, something that speaks directly to a specific need or struggle. I'm interested in self-help, but is there demand for it? Let's see. So you start with Etsy. Etsy isn't just a place for handmade crafts. It's a serious marketplace for digital downloads, especially ebooks in self-help, mindset, and personal growth categories. For example, if I type in self-help, here's what comes up. Scroll through the results and pay close attention to the ones that have a high number of reviews. A product that has over 100 reviews likely has a lot more purchases behind it, because not everyone leaves a review. You're not copying any of these products, but you are learning from the themes and titles. What's trending? What's selling? Once you have a few ideas, open Google Trends. Search for terms like self-help, personal growth, mindfulness, productivity, or confidence, and compare them. Set the time filter to the past 30 days and the region to worldwide. From what I can see from this graph, the topic confidence is really hot and steady. This simple research hack gives you a clear sense of what topics are growing in popularity right now. You want to choose something that has momentum because you'll be riding that wave. Don't worry if you're not an expert in the topic you choose. The goal is to choose something people care about and then use ChatGPT 4.0 to help you write a clear and helpful book about it. Step 2. Create your digital product. Now it's time to start writing. Sign into ChatGPT 4.0 and give it a clear prompt. Your prompt should describe exactly what you want. For example, I could give this prompt. Create a book outline for millennials with a catchy title, chapter names, and one-line descriptions. The focus should be on how to become more confident. ChatGPT will give you a complete outline with chapters and summaries. Take a moment to read through it carefully. If the tone is off or the angle isn't quite right, just refine your prompt. Be specific. You can say something like, make the tone more relatable. Add pop culture references and keep the titles short and modern. The more feedback you give, the better the output will be. Once you're happy with the outline, it's time to generate each chapter. You don't want a dry essay. You want each chapter to feel helpful, like a motivational guide that a reader could finish in one sitting. You can prompt ChatGPT by saying, write chapter 1 in a motivational and relatable tone, targeting millennials. Include practical tips, a few personal anecdotes, and useful takeaways. Focus on real-world advice people can use right away. Then do the same for the next chapter. Copy and paste each chapter into a Google Doc as ChatGPT generates it. You'll start to see a full manuscript come together. Don't rush this part. Read through each chapter and make small edits if something feels too vague or repetitive. Sometimes ChatGPT repeats ideas, so trim those parts out. Keep each chapter clear, helpful, and straight to the point. After finishing all the chapters, make sure they're all in one document, in the right order. You now have the raw content of your ebook. Now it's time to design the ebook so that it looks professional. A good design builds trust and makes people more likely to buy. Let's start by creating a cover. Ask ChatGPT 4.0 to help with this too. I can give it a prompt like this. Generate a vibrant, modern book cover image for my millennial ebook on how to become more confident. Use bold typography, uplifting colors, and subtle graphics. The format should be in a 2:3 ratio. Once the image is generated, review it. If the design feels too generic or flat, adjust the prompt slightly. Ask for different colors, a cleaner layout, or more minimalist design. Download the final image once it feels right. Now go to Canva. Create a free account if you don't already have one. In the search bar, type book template and choose a layout that looks clean and modern, something with space for chapter titles and readable body text. Upload your cover image and set it as the first page. Then start adding your chapters. For each page, choose a background color that matches your cover. Paste in the chapter title, then add the content you generated earlier. Adjust the font and spacing to keep everything easy to read. Make sure the formatting stays consistent. Use the same font style and size across all pages. This part might feel tedious, but don't skip it. A polished layout makes a big difference. Once you've added all the chapters and checked for typos or layout errors, export the entire file as a PDF. This is the final product you'll sell. It should look and feel like a real premium ebook. Step 3. Create content. Now you need to build an audience and get traffic to your book. This is where YouTube comes in. Instead of creating long videos where you talk on camera, you can make short, faceless videos that deliver quick, powerful messages. These videos are meant to inspire and attract people who are already interested in personal growth and becoming more confident. Start by going back to ChatGPT 4.0 and asking for a script. Use a prompt like, write a 2-minute motivational self-help video script about how to become more confident for millennials. Keep the tone inspiring, concise, and practical. Read what ChatGPT generates and make small edits if necessary to match your own voice. Then go to 11 Labs. Sign up and log in. Click on Voices, then on Library. Filter through the voices to find what would sound best for your channel. I'm going to filter it for a male American voice. Listen to each of these and pick the one that sounds best to you by clicking here. Now, paste your script into the voice generator and hit Generate. Give it a few seconds and then listen to what 11 Labs generates. It's usually perfect on the first go for me, but you might want to increase the speed just a little bit if your voiceover sounds a little slow. Once you're happy, download the audio. Next, you'll need visuals to go with the voiceover. Go to Pinterest and search for terms like confidence or self-love quotes. Save the images that match the tone of your video. You want uplifting, clean visuals with calm colors and strong positive energy. I recommend mixing these with original images that we can generate with ChatGPT 4.0 image generation, which has been seriously impressing me. For example, I can give ChatGPT this prompt. Now, I can take these prompts and ask ChatGPT to actually generate the image for me. Let's copy and paste this first image generation prompt into ChatGPT. ChatGPT's image generation feature has gotten so much better that it's shocked me. Repeat the process until you have images for all of your video. Then open CapCut and start a new project. Import your voiceover and visuals. Drag the voiceover to the timeline. Now sync the images to match the pacing of the voiceover. You can also add basic effects to keep things moving visually. Use the zoom feature. Select an image, add a keyframe at the start and end, and increase or decrease the scale slightly. This gives subtle motion. Add background music that fits the tone, something motivating. Once the edit feels smooth, export the video in high resolution. Step 4. Drive traffic and upload your video to YouTube. Give it a strong, clear title. Keep it short, specific, and also interesting. Something like, "How to trick yourself into being more confident," works better than just, "How to be more confident." In the video description, add your digital product store link and a short call to action like, "Get the full guide here." Use relevant tags like confidence and self-love in this example. These help your video show up in search results. Now it's time to actually sell the ebook. Go to Gumroad and create an account. Click on New Product and choose Digital Product. Upload the PDF you created in Canva. Set the price to $5. This might seem low, but it works well for impulse buys, especially for people discovering your channel for the first time. Add a simple, honest description of the digital product. Mention what topics it covers and how it helps the reader. Keep it short and focused. Once you publish the product, Gumroad will give you a link. Copy that link and paste it into every video description. Now, every time someone watches your video and feels inspired, they have a direct way to go deeper by buying your book. You can repeat this process with more ebooks. One about mindfulness, one about morning routines, one about being more productive. Each book becomes its own product, and each video becomes a way to promote it. You're not chasing ad revenue anymore. You're building a system that connects content with products. This is how automation on YouTube has changed. It's not just about making faceless videos. It's about combining AI with strategy to create digital products that people actually want. You create once, and the system keeps working. If you have any specific questions about this process, I have made a community where I personally answer your questions and guide you, step by step, to make your first $1,000 online. Inside AI Income Friends, I'll teach you how to leverage YouTube automation, AI-driven short videos, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and much more. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. When you join today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Click the first link in the description and join AI Income Friends today for instant access to everything. What do you think of ChatGPT 4.0? Is this OpenAI's comeback moment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.